Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the issue that the shutter button is not working, it's something I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help you too. I hope it does. So someone just wrote here the comment. You have to turn on shoot without lens in the button dial options if you use adapter or manual lens. Otherwise, you might have stuck shutter release switch and I hope you can return it. So this is something that you want to do, and someone even wrote here that I know your comment is old, but I just want to say that you are a lifesaver. These totals fix my problem. And plenty of people just wrote here to help them, it work for them. So this is something that you can try, and I hope it's going to fix it. So you have to turn on shoot without lens in the buttons options if you use adapter or manual lens. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.